Hey guys, I'm Jennifer. This is my first ever YouTube video. My YouTube channel is based on beauty related content and this was my introduction. So without wasting further time, let's dive right into the video. So the first video is about DIY skincare for teenagers. Not only teenagers but all aged group can follow this routine. So without any wasting further time, let's dive right into the video.
I have nothing on my skin, so the first step is to spritz a little bit of rose water all over your skin and then to apply a little bit of gram flour or besan all over your skin in circular motion, which acts as a mild exfoliant. Leave it about 2 minutes on your skin and wash it off. The second step is to take coconut oil and curd. Mix these ingredients well and apply in circular motion to improve your blood circulation. Wash it off. The third step is scrubbing. For scrubbing, I have taken sugar and honey and mix it as a paste and apply it on your skin. It helps in removing dead skin cells. Not do less than 30 seconds. I've given you another option of honey and coffee powder. Same in circular motion. Apply it onto your skin, not more than 30 seconds. Doing this helps in removing the dead skin cells. Next step is to apply mask. For mask, I have used neem powder, multani mitti, bentonite clay, curd and cocoa powder. Mix these ingredients well and apply it on your face. This is a very hydrating mask and also replenishes your skin. Leave it for 10 minutes and wash it off. Next, to apply moisturizer. Moisturizing your face is a very essential and important step in your skincare routine. And also, to hydrate your lips is also important. So for hydrating my lips, I'm using the lip balm and hydrating.
So yeah, this was the basic skincare regime that needed to be followed by all teenagers. So if you all like this video, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and also press the notification bell on and also follow me on Instagram. So see you all in the next video. Bye.